Real estate math. How to compute a real estate agent's or broker's commission. All right, so problem number 6. 6A. We have Tracy sells George's house for $411,300. Tracy's commission is 6% of the sales price. What is Tracy's commission in dollars? So what we want to do is very simple again. Always start off with the equation part equals rate times base. All right, so in this case, the base represents the sales price. Okay. The rate we mentioned is 6%. And so we're trying to find out what is the commission. So the commission represents the part. And it should be easy. We have, again, 6%. We said that the 6%, when you kind of divide by 100, it's going to give 0.06. So we rewrite in the equation. And in this case, the sales price has a value of $411,300. And it should produce the commission. So we have commission here. It's just a matter of just rewriting the equation. Okay, so we multiply the value 411,300 times 0.06, and it says that Tracy walks away with a commission of $24,678. And this is what we wanted to show for problem 6A. Problem 6B, we want to show it's really the same problem, but we're going to reword it a different way. The last problem we solved for commission. So we used the part equals rate times base, and we showed how to compute the commission, or the part. In this case, this equation is going to show we have the commission, we have the sales price, and we want to figure out what is Tracy's commission rate. So once again, we start off with part equals rate times base. And what's given is we say that the part represents commission. And we're trying to figure out what the rate is. And we have the base, which is price of the home, $411,300. And what we want to do is, hold up, so we want the commission now is $24,678. So we're basically rewriting the equation each time. And the base is the sales price, which is $411,300. All right, so we continue to just transform the equation. So we want to solve for the rate. We keep the rate right there. And on this side here, 24,000 is already there. And so multiplication, when you convert over to the left side of the equation, is pretty much you divide. So we're going to say 24,678 is going to be divided by 411,300. And this is going to show the rate. So our rate equals a value of 24,678 divided by 411 and 300, which is a value of 0.06. And of course, we take the 0.06, multiply by 100, and that would produce 6. But that same 6 is saying that the rate is really 6%. And this is what we wanted to show for problem 6B. Now, problem 6C, we have Tracy sells George house and receives a commission of $24,678, which is 6% of the sales price. What was the sales price? So once again, we want to use the part Same equation, part equals rate times base. And in this case, all right, so we have the part represents a commission, and we have a rate of 6%. And as you notice inside the problem above, we do not have the case where the sales price is listed. So we'll indicate that here. This is what we're going to solve for. All right, so the commission is $24,678. Then the 6%, we're going to convert it. You guys have seen how I converted previously. So 6% represents 0.06. And we want to try to determine what is the sale price. Okay, so over here we have 24,678 divided by 0.06. And of course, this is going to equal not the sale price, should be sales price, sorry. And so we have down here sale price should be what we compute. So we have the value 24,678 divided by 0.06, and it shows a value of 411,300, and this is what we wanted to show. This puts us in a position for my next tutorial where we describe how to compute real estate related interest problems. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also feel free to join us at the computing sector. There will be more videos and tutorials coming soon. Thanks.